Do you live in Manvel and need someone to fix your fridge, or washer or dryer, or other appliance, but don't know who to call? Here are some things to consider before calling that other appliance repair guy. Are they a real company, or is it some auto mechanic moonlighting on the side? Appliance Cowboys has been in business for over 6 years and is rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau. Who is going to be coming to your home? All Appliance Cowboy techs undergo extensive background checks and random drug testing, so you and your family can feel safe. How do you know you won't get ripped off? Appliance Cowboys has tons of Google 5-star ratings from satisfied customers, and we never charge a service fee if we do the repair. So call us now, and we'll be at your home to fix your broken appliance today. 713-742-2011. That's 713-742-2011.